Good morning friends, welcome to SP News channel. Here you find the topmost breaking news updates and you can win a wonderful gift by giving a simple question answer. Central government alone cannot decide on lockdown, says West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee postpones Kolkata Metro's reopening. Kolkata Metro reopened from 15 September in place of 8 September. Cabinet approves Mission Karma Yogi for civil servant. State Bank of India introduced new facility for ATM user. Now every time customer receive a request for balance inquiry or mini statement via ATM by sending an SMS, so that customer can immediately block their debit card if the transaction is not initiated by them. 75% candidates in West Bengal could not write JEE exam due to COVID-19 situation, says West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. According to media report, China says no Indian soldier killed in recent Ladakh conflict. Central government bans 118 more Chinese mobile applications, including PUBG Mobile, PUBG Lite, amid border tension with Beijing. India-China LAC standoff continues amid PLA's provocative action in eastern Ladakh. According to media report, today Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address at 3rd US-India Strategic Partnership Forum. Pakistan bans 5 dating and live streaming apps for uploading immoral content. Enforcement Director arrests Hawala dealer Naresh Jain in Delhi. Bihar's ex-CM Jiten Ram Manjhi returned to NDA ahead of Bihar election. The Narcotics Control Bureau arrested 2 people in connection with drug angle in Sushant Singh Rajput death case. According to media report, PM Care Funds got 3,076 crore donation in just 5 days. The National Student Union of India demands re-examination for students who could not attend JEE exam. India calls for permanently removing Jammu Kashmir issue under outdated agenda item from UN Security Council. In Pune, a journalist died of COVID-19. Family alleges that hospital delayed treatment, offered advance payment. In India, 78,357 new cases of COVID-19 in last 24 hours. GST revenue collection for August stand at 86,449 crore, says Finance Minister. Friends, if you like this video, then kindly subscribe and give a like, cause your one like motivate me to upload another one. Punjab Chief Minister orders SIT probes into attack on Suresh Raina's family. 2 men died after falling into a 100-feet gorge while they are trying to take a selfie in Madhya Pradesh. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation received 50 lakh from controversial Islamic preacher Zakir Naik. China has not occupied an inch of frozen land in last 70 years, says Chinese spokesperson. According to media report, mask use and social distancing may prevent 2 lakh coronavirus deaths in India. Reliance launches new Jio fiber plans with unlimited data up to 300 Mbps speed in just 399 rupees. Dhubri district jail in Assam releases 25 Bangladeshi nationals held for visa violence. In the month of September, new prices for LPG cylinder. For Delhi 594, Kolkata 620 rupees 50 paise, Mumbai 594 rupees, Chennai 610 rupees. Betrayal of trust. Mamata Banerjee and other chief ministers write a letter to PM Modi over GST compensation. According to media report, CBI officer says no proof of murder in Sushant Singh Rajput death case. In India, COVID-19 total active cases almost 7,82,000 and in West Bengal total active cases almost 26,000. Now it's a time for quiz question. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? If you know its answer, then kindly comment and win a surprise gift. Thank you for watching SP News channel. Have a nice day.